you only get to do this once. I got a new toy, and I thought you guys might like to see it. I got a JETKVM Kickstarter. Just start out with how it comes. It comes in this stuff here. It looks like it's pretty water resistant, and that's good because like it sit outside all day before I came home. I guess it's not that great. Water could get in there. But I got my favorite little letter opener here. JETKVM. It's got a pretty nice setup, little pull tab there for you to pull everything out of the box. I also ordered the add-ons for the JETKVM. One is a barrel connector so you can get the power on and off function. The other is an ATX motherboard power connector function. I ordered both of those, but they haven't come yet. Ooh, it's like a premium unboxing experience. Here we got our device. Ooh, I can't wait to plug it in. I should have brought a USB power source in here. We'll save that for later. And it's got your HDMI, USB-C power, RJ45, RJ11. Is the connector style that JETKVM uses for an extension port. This functions as a serial port, allowing communications and the ability to power the device, and is the key to adding external hardware and functionality to the device. This board allows control of an ATX motherboard and can be powered through a USB-C or a 5-volt pin header, and then in turn powers the JETKVM through the RJ11. The DC power control board allows power management for devices connected with the DC barrel jacks, such as a mini PC or in my case a U-Green NAS. If your device has always on USB ports, you probably don't need this. Your OLED screen. And in this box we should have a USB-C splitter and a mini HDMI adapter. Access the web interface. We might look at that later. Alright, here we go. This is our USB-C cable. One is labeled for the power, the other is labeled for the USB going to your device. I take it. And this is your HDMI, the mini HDMI. Man, you only get to do this once. There's some nice ventilation. Holes in there. But yeah, that's chunky. What else we got in here? Oh, it's USB-A to USB-C. I got this device to put on a U-Green NAS that I have deployed at a family member's house for off-site backup and running Plex. So I always have, if one Plex server goes down, I always have at least two more going. I keep two going here and one going off-site.